Yeah, we got off to a decent start. Put 2 on the ice just about straight away. It's a nice keeper. Yummy. We'll get that for supper. Rah. That's Al's hot hole over there. He says that's the only hot hole he's ever going to get. Put your finger in it. There he is. Oh dear. What kind of video?
It's warm, but it's wet.
It ain't warm, but it's wet. There you go. So much for the family video. Oh, come on, fish, bite before this gets worse. There's one. Oh, he's only just caught on the thing there. I don't think he's very well hooked. Oh yeah, he's good. Ouch! He zapped me. You zapped me, buddy. Good shot. There's a nice one. Keeper. Game on. There's another nice one. I better get a minnow on here. That's not even alive. That one's about 4 pounds. There's a good one.
Take that
You
one.
want that one? There you go. That was your hot hole again, wasn't it? Yeah, he's down there again. Something's messing up my transducer here, but he's down there again. There he is. There you go.
Got him.
So that time, one more.
Yeah, I got him.
You got him. Oh, Al's on too. Go Al. Well, that's a nice one. Nice. You better give that one a measure, eh?
Well, he's over that.
15,
Yeah.
16, 17. There we go. I'm done.